What's good, YouTube? When I started this channel, it was about making the videos I wish I had at the time I was facing a particular problem. But now I might have hit the ceiling of what this channel can authentically be about. And if I take the next step, this channel is going to be the exact same slop as what I'm complaining about all the time. So here's the problem. Most of the things I want to do in future don't fit into the nvim C# YouTube box anymore. Which is actually fine because we did it, right? We fully transitioned away from the IDE into coding on Linux in the terminal as a C# developer. We built methods, workflows, and tools that actually work, and honestly, I don't need a whole lot of adjustment anymore. I didn't use a conventional IDE since a year now. I didn't touch my dot file since months, so I'm basically done with that. And I put everything I learned into playlists that take you from a crappy Visual Studio on a crappy Windows 11 programming experience to coding in the terminal on Linux. Arch, preferably. So now that the systems and tools and workflows are finished, what's next? So what are we going to do this year? All of the following might sound a little bit unrelated, but it's all just consequence of the exact same problem. So number one is, I still didn't tell you about how it's like using the X1 Carbon Gen 13 after 1 year daily driving Linux. So that's going to be a video. The next thing is, I never made a video about the ZSA Voyager keyboard, which is a beautiful keyboard. I don't know why I never made a video about this. So this is going to come. What's next? Yeah. My contract ended a week ago, about 10 days. But who counts? So now that I'm basically homeless, I'm gonna meow a little bit about the current IT job market situation. On top of that, I'm ashamed to say, I live in Poland now for a couple of years, and I still speak like a toddler. It's embarrassing, so that one has to change. And I'm still not a member of the 1,000-pound club, and I still didn't run a marathon, so there's a lot of work to do this year. So what do we start with? So the thing that's annoying me the most right now is that my Polish teacher says, absolutely convinced, there's no way I'm going to pass the C1 Polish test in April, end of April, which is in about 11 weeks from now. So that's going to be the first mission, without that Polish teacher, of course, since I cannot use any naysayers along the mission, right? So because there's so much to talk about, it's going to get a little bit bouncy. I cannot promise you that there's going to be a perfect chronological order of all the different topics I'm going to be addressing. What I am promising you is the same as always, that everything I learn is going to be distilled into concise, actionable, straightforward playlists that you can just watch to get out of them, whatever you need to get out of them. And if you want to join me on the journey, welcome. If you're already here, thank you. And yeah, either way, enjoy the ride and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.